Hey there, in this video I am going to explain to you what stateful and stateless widgets are in Flutter. So if you look at the definition for a widget, then according to the Flutter documentation, a widget is an immutable declaration of part of the UI description. But immutable means non-changeable. However, our UI changes most of the time. Like in this case when we want to add an item to our cart, so the button color changes from red to green. Now, if you had followed my previous class, I have told that Flutter arranges its widget in a hierarchical structure called the widget tree. So while we are building our widget tree, when we added our red button onto the tree, correspondingly a state object associated with this button is also created. Now it is using this state object that we track the UI changes happening and update the screen accordingly. Based on the maintenance of this associated state, a widget can be classified into two types, a stateful widget or a stateless widget. A stateful widget keeps track of the state object created when it was added to the widget tree. Consider the case when we want to change the color of our button to yellow. So here, when the state of the button is changed, it is then notified by a setState function, and correspondingly the widget tree is rebuilt by adding the new yellow button onto it. Now, a stateless widget doesn't keep track of its state. This means that once added to the widget tree, no more changes can be further made on it. So in conclusion, when you are making widgets whose properties change dynamically, then it is advised to use a stateful widget or else a stateless widget. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.